How similar are Japanese and Korean? When it comes to syntax and grammar, Japanese and Korean are very similar. In English, I am a student. In Korean, 나는 학생이다. In Japanese, 私は学生です. You can see that these sentences are translatable word by word, that each word in the first sentence has an equivalent in the second sentence in the exact same position. So they are directly translatable. One thing I want to point out is the topic marker. That's the second word in each of these sentences. The topic marker points out the topic of a sentence that's different from the grammatical subject. Another thing I want to point out is the last word in each sentence. In Korean, it's ida, and in Japanese, it's desu. In both cases, that's like a copula, like the word is in English. So in both Japanese and Korean, this is a standalone word that is placed usually at the end of the sentence. In Korean, 나는 물을 마신다. In Japanese, watashi wa mizu wo nomimasu. So again, we see that the topic marker is the second word in each sentence. But a more important thing that I want to point out here is the SOV word order. That means subject, object, verb. So we can see that the subject is watashi, or it's na in Korean, and then we have the object next. So the object is water. In Korean, it's 물, and in Japanese, it's mizu. And then we have the verb at the end. So in Korean, masinda, and in Japanese, nomimasu. But before the verb, there is an interesting little word that we don't have in English, and that is an object marker. So that's another unique thing that we find in both Japanese and Korean, used in exactly the same way, in exactly the same position in the sentence.